This video will show you how to install projector headlights on your 2003 to 2005 NISSAN 350Z. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. We'll begin by opening the hood. Remove 10 10mm bolts at the bottom of the front bumper. Pull the fender liner aside. Then remove 3 10mm bolts as you see here. Remove 6 plastic clips at the top of the front bumper. Now we can remove the front bumper. Remove the impact absorber. Remove 3 10mm bolts towards the side and the bottom of the headlights. Remove a 10mm bolt at the top corner of the headlights. Remove the factory headlights and disconnect the headlight harness. Disconnect the HID harness from the ballast. Remove the access hole cover. Remove 3 Phillips head screws securing the ballast to the headlight. Remove the Phillips head screw at the back of the ballast. Disconnect the HID socket harness from the ballast. Pull the harness through the access hole. Then disconnect the ground connector. Remove the HID socket assembly. Now remove the HID bulb. Remove 3 Phillips head screws from the back of the new headlights. Then remove the plastic cover. Remove the access hole cover. Install the HID bulb into the new headlights and lock into position. Run the HID socket harness through the headlight housing, then install the HID light socket. Connect the HID socket harness to the ballast. Secure the harness to the ballast using a Phillips head screw. Now secure the ballast to the headlight using 3 Phillips head screws. Connect the harness to the HID ballast. Reinstall the access hole cover. Connect the headlight harness, then place the headlights in the stock location. Replace all hardware in reverse order of removal. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.